observe and see, and then perhaps emulate going forward.
Indeed. Ms. Guriras, could you take us through, when it comes to the logistic of the day, what are the preparations so far, and what can the public expect come the 5th of December?
Preparation so far is going very well from the national as well as the regional level. The commemoration will take place at MICT Stadium, which is in Orodoveni, a very central location for everyone to attend, especially the inhabitants of Otjozondjupa as well as from the region, and also the guests that will be coming from outside Otjozondjupa. There will be official statements, testimonies of people who are infected or affected. There will be cultural performances. There is a well-known musician who will perform. So we are especially urging the youth to attend. And cultural performances will also take place. There will be screening services provided by Ministry of Health and Social Services, which will be testing of HIV/AIDS, TB, your glucose levels in terms of diabetics. And there will also be wellness activities for the public at large. So we are urging everyone to join us on the 5th of December at MICT Stadium in Otjozondjupa to commemorate World AIDS Day 2025. Thank you.
Oh, no, thank you. So it's not just going to be a day of messages, but health services will also be provided during the day.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Now, we know Otjozondjupa is big. What are arrangements in place to make sure that all the inhabitants who would want to come to Otjozondjupa and commemorate this day and listen to this important message make it to MICT Stadium?
Okay, thank you very much in terms of that. In terms of transport arrangements, we have liaised with Ministry of Works, Government Garage, and also various other people who are providing transport services, especially like schools who have buses. In terms of getting transport from Government Garage is a little bit of a challenge because they are faced with breakdowns of their buses, but we are still optimistic that we will secure some transport to ferry community members from outside Otjozondjupa, everybody in the region. We have also asked for the help from the local authorities, various local authorities, to assist us in terms of this. So we are very much optimistic that our people from the region will join the activities on the 5th of December.
No, thank you. Perhaps on the last, what message do you want to send to the residents of Otjozondjupa and Namibia at large ahead of the World AIDS Day commemoration?
The message that I will send to Namibia is, I always believe we all are positive unless tested otherwise. Because if you are not tested, you cannot presume that you are negative. So let's go for testing. Let's adhere, let's prevent and take care of ourselves because our health is our wealth. So Namibia, let's prevent. Thank you very much.
Thank you indeed for that very powerful message. Mr. Director, what are the biggest challenge currently facing the regional HIV response, and how can communities come in to help or to strengthen these responses?
Yeah, currently the challenges that we are facing is basically the one I've alluded to. One of them is stigma and discrimination that I have already mentioned that it's a barrier to our people to access, first just to go for testing and access and then remain on treatment, viral suppression. And then what I want the community or our community to do is let us be involved. When our teams are coming to your village, when our teams are coming to your settlement, to your town, go there and listen, participate, get involved, take the message to your loved ones. Take your message to your neighbor, to your community, so that our concerted effort should bear results. We want to prevent and we want to treat those that are infected, and we want to suppress the viral load so that we minimize, if not totally preventing, the transmission of HIV, so that we end AIDS by 2030.
No, thank you. Perhaps your final thoughts. What outcome do you hope this year's commemoration will leave for Otjozondjupa residents and the Namibians as a whole?
I believe commemorating World AIDS Day in Otjivarongo, Mokati Stadium, come the 5th of December, it will leave a message to all of us in Namibia that the government of the Republic of Namibia, through the Ministry of Health and Social Services, is committed to make sure that our people receive the necessary services, especially healthcare services, not only HIV, but all the services that the government of the Republic of Namibia have promised through the Ministry of Health and Social Services. Therefore, I invite all of you, come one, come all, so that you witness yourself how the government of the Republic of Namibia, through the Ministry of Services, Health and Social Services, are doing it, and they are going to continue doing so to protect the lives of our people and to maintain the health status of our people. Thank you very much.
No, thank you so much, Mr. Timoteus and Ms. Guriras, for joining us today and sharing the insight on this very important day that we are going to commemorate on the 5th of December. Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
To our viewers and listeners, thank you for joining in. We encourage all the residents of Otjozondjupa and the whole country at large, if you are able to make your way to Otjivarongo, come, let's stand together under the theme Sustaining the HIV Response, Ending Stigma, and Building Resilient Communities. The commemoration aims to amplify the messages around prevention, testing, and treatment. Thank you for tuning in. From me and the entire crew of the GIC, together we can make a difference.